was going to say something cheesy, but I thought I'd be mature. These are my remarkable melt-in-the-middle cheesy meatballs with a broccoli mash. Potatoes have had a head start. Now we're going to throw in our broccoli, stalks and all, chopped up, straight into those potatoes. Now it's time to make our meatballs and roll them up into about 16 golf balls. Not into 16 golf balls, meatballs. Now it's time to give our meatballs that melt-in-the-middle centre. This is also a fantastic way to get your kids eating a little bit more veg. Melt in the middle, cheesy meatballs with broccoli mashed potato. I know you want to get stuck into that. Remarkable, that.